Big news, PowerZyme just got EWG verified. Now that means that it meets the highest standards for health and safety as set forth by the Environmental Working Group. EWG verified products, they are completely transparent about their ingredients and also avoid all harmful chemicals. And if you're like me, you want a truly safe option for your family, right? Because what we put in our wash goes into our clothes and then sits on our skin. Now, PowerZyme is one of my favorites, but if you don't know what it is, PowerZyme is one of Norwex's powered laundry detergents. It is totally filler-free, 91% bio-based, and it's powered by smart enzymes. I'm going to tell you about those that break down tough stains, tough odors at the microscopic level. So think of these little enzymes like tiny little scissors in the laundry cutting through all of those stains. Stains like protein-based stains, like sweat and the smells that go with it and blood, starchy messes from things like pasta sauce and chocolate, sticky spills. Think about oily salad dressing or yogurt. It breaks through that like ease. Trust me, this shirt had Italian dressing on it yesterday. And it also protects our fabric from wear, like pilling and graying. This keeps our clothes brighter, fresher, and keeps the fibers intact. It also has kind of a built-in water softener. We have hard water and I love that. Now the best part about this detergent is it works awesome in all water temperatures. So it's effective in cold, warm, and even hot loads. Now I live in an area where we have the worst hard water and PowerZyme works beautifully. I don't even need to add any boosters to my wash. In fact, many of the enzymes that are in our very popular bright and white laundry and home booster are in PowerZyme. So I don't have to add a lot of extras when I use this to do my wash. You're gonna love it, especially if you love the effects of bright and white. So, and you might be thinking, you are already using a Norwex laundry detergent, how does this one stack up? So I wanna break that down for you just so it makes a lot of sense in terms of how they're different and even how I use them differently. So the first one is our liquid laundry detergent. So our liquid laundry detergent is also an enzyme-based product. In fact, it has 5 enzymes and it is a fantastic ultra concentrated option. Now, even though this has 5 enzymes and this has 4, the concentration of the enzymes is much higher in the PowerZyme. So the liquid is 97% bio-based and it comes with a mess-free pump, which is great for families, but it does come in a bottle and it isn't as travel friendly as some of our other products. Then if you've been with Norwex or using Norwex for a while, you know what this one is, the Ultra Power Plus. This is our longtime fan favorite. It is a powder just like the PowerZyme, but it does not contain any enzymes at all. It still does a great job. It tackles dirt, grime, things like that. And yes, it does work well in all water temperatures, but this is not really a specialized detergent for laundry that's gonna have tough odors and tough stains, especially when you're dealing with protein-based stains like the sweat, blood, and all the different messes. Then we also have our Eco Wash laundry detergent strips. These are great. These are lightweight, space-saving. They come in this plastic-free packaging. They are pre-measured and super convenient to travel. I put these in my carry-on bag, in the makeup bag. Awesome. This one does not contain enzymes either. So while it's great for basic cleaning, it's not as quite as powerful as our enzyme-based detergents. And that, in my opinion, is what makes PowerZyme such a great product for my family, because this combines the power of enzymes and the plant-based safe and effective surfactants in a totally filler-free powder, giving us a very deep clean every time, and it's hard to beat. I never have to rewash things when I'm using the PowerZyme. And the enzymes, think of them like nature's little cleaning machines. They're biodegradable, very effective in small amounts, and safe for our skin and also the environment. So whether you're tackling sweaty uniforms, delicate baby clothes that are really messy, or even just greasy kitchen messes, I've used PowerZyme on all of it. And it's unscented, it works like a charm. It's honestly been my favorite and it is a game changer, especially if you have sensitive skin. We love it in our house. So now that it is EWG verified, PowerZyme isn't just powerful, it is one of the cleanest and safest laundry detergents that you could ever choose. And as a bonus, you can put PowerZyme on auto ship and save with Norwex so you never run out. and you get an extra 10% off with any items that are on autosave. So if you've already tried PowerZyme, drop a comment, let me know what you think. What's your favorite part about it? And if you haven't tried it yet, maybe you're new to it, let me know what questions you have. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye for now.